Hi, I'm Kerry from Awake and Alive Empowerment, my new personal development business. I'm not your ordinary coach. I'm not your head coach. I'm your heart coach. If you're looking to live your life from your heart, then this is for you. Have a listen, please. Thank you. At Awake and Alive Empowerment, I'm starting a new couples workshop. If your relationship is maybe struggling and you would like it to become awake and alive again and empowered, then this could be for you. So, what can happen in a relationship is we can get a little bit off track. What was exciting and awesome, and we were in love, because of the four-letter word busy, things got a little awry. And it's maybe time to kind of just take a moment, take a little time to do some work, and enlightening what you need to do to move forward as a couple. Relationships can be quite conflicting. There could be disagreements. There are ways, though, such as pausing and thinking before you speak again, or being in your heart in the first place, that can avoid a lot of this conflict. So, this is something we can talk about. As I said earlier, what happens is we become quite busy and our heads get in the way. We become logical thinkers and we try to logically stop a problem. It's a much better process to go into our hearts, to pause for a moment and say, what am I really feeling? What is the emotional intelligence I'm lacking at this point? Does this sound familiar? Would this help? For 40 years, I was in the tire and mechanical business, and I spent a lot of time tuning up people's cars, doing oil changes, and going through that, keeping their vehicle running smoothly. Unfortunately, people today, especially couples, do not keep up with their heart and mind tune-ups. We need a little boost once in a while to keep us going. Walls get built up and they are hard to take down. So that'll be a process we go through. Bringing down the walls, letting them go. Letting go is a new phrase that is so important in our world today, especially for couples. Our control strategies really cause chaos. We try to control every situation, manipulation, fear, anger, sometimes the silent treatment. There are many ways to control a situation. So we'll be talking about these things too that may hinder our relationships. And if it's something you don't want to do as a couple, maybe the guy in the relationship will want to go to our men's workshop. It is a great way to get connected with other men and find a way in how to understand getting to your heart, what that really means, and emotional intelligence. Just working on maybe their hurts and pains and just being stuck. Would you like that relationship blazing again? It was blazing when you first met, and sometimes it dwindles down to a little spark. So let's get that fire blazing again in your heart. The whole idea is to help empower couples, to help empower you as a couple. Would you like that? Would you want that more than anything? If it is, then take up a free session I have and we can talk about it. And then if it looks good, we can go forward. Thanks for listening today.